So I found that you guys are having problem with the positive and negative. Okay? So remember that with the FOIL, you did not have problem with the process, you just had problem with the positive and the negative. So let's take this out. So 5x times x, what does that give me? Then you're going to multiply the 5x by the negative. When you're multiplying a positive and a negative, you're going to end up with a negative 15x, right? Then negative 2 times x, negative 2x because you have a negative and a positive. Then negative 2 times negative 3. 2 negatives makes a positive 6. Remember that we're multiplying. Now, when we're done this is where we're going to add like terms. So, 5x squared, there's no like term to that. I have negative 15x minus 2x, so these are my like terms. Because they're both negative, then they're going to add up to a negative 17x plus 6. Are we okay with this? Okay. So let's take up the second. So I'm going to write it right here. I have 2x plus 1 and then 3x minus 2. First, I'm multiplying. What do I multiply? 2x times 3x. So that gives me 6x squared. Then 2x times negative 2. That gives me negative 4x. 1 times 3x. That gives me 3x. You see, guys, it's important that you write the right letter and the right exponent and the right number all together, right sign. And then 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So I'm going to end up with 6x squared minus 4x plus 3x is negative 1x minus 2. We're going to do C. I'm going to do C right here since it's already written. So remember that whenever you have a square, you write the same thing twice. And then you do 6x times 6x is 36x squared. Then 6x times 1, 6x. 1 times 6x, and then 1 times 1 is 1. So I'm going to end up with 36x squared plus 12x plus 1. Let's do D together. X minus 1 squared, what do I write? And then x minus 1. I write x minus 1 twice. X times x. X times negative 1 minus 1x minus 1 times x minus 1x, and then negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. So to collect like terms, did we get mostly right? Okay. Are you okay? It hurts? Do you want to go sit another class? I'm going to go over another lesson, but you can watch it online. You're okay? I'll try not to print during first period, but yes.
Because there were.
But you're adding them. Yeah, you're adding them. You're adding them, right? When you're adding, you don't do exponent. Okay? When you're multiplying, you change the exponent. So think about it this way. You have 6 apples plus 6 apples. That gives you 12 apples. It doesn't give you 12 apples squared.
Okay, I got it.
I like my apples. Can you tell? Yeah. I like apples and chocolates. All right, so let's